Okay, everybody. So right now we're getting ready to make my infamous baked bean. I used to make these baked beans all the time, right? Everybody used to be like, "Girl, who made these beans? I feel like it be me." And I felt like I should share the secret because for those of us who work all the time and you still want to be able to make sure you put your foot in it, you about to put your foot in it. So right now we're waiting for our stuff to open. I just got through frying some chicken and I'm making tea. So give us a second while she's still going. What we're going to be doing is cutting apples. So I don't know what it is about apples. If you're an apple lover, you'll love this apple. All right, here's apple. Here's apple pieces.